Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Financial Podcast. I'm Olivia, and today we're diving into a blockbuster deal that's making waves in the beauty and finance worlds. ELF Beauty, a name synonymous with accessible cosmetics, is set to acquire Hailey Bieber's highly popular skincare brand, Rhode. And the price tag? A staggering $1 billion. This isn't just any acquisition. It's ELF's largest to date, signaling a major strategic pivot and expansion. The deal is structured with an initial payment of $800 million, comprising both cash and stock. On top of that, there's a potential additional payout of up to $200 million based on Rhode's performance over the next 3 years. This earnout structure is common in acquisitions, incentivizing the acquired company's team to continue driving growth post-deal. The total potential value reaches that headline-grabbing $1 billion figure. The transaction is expected to wrap up later this year, specifically in the second quarter of ELF's fiscal 2026. So why is ELF, a company known for its budget-friendly price points, making such a significant investment in a brand that operates at a higher price tier? ELF's core entry price point is typically around $6.50, whereas Rhode's products average in the high 20s. The primary drivers for this acquisition appear to be twofold: expanding ELF's footprint further into the lucrative skincare market and reaching a higher-income consumer demographic. ELF has already been building its skincare presence, having launched ELF Skin 5 years ago and acquiring the skincare brand Naturium in 2023 for $355 million, effectively doubling its skincare business at the time. The addition of Rhode is a significant step forward in this strategic direction. ELF CEO highlighted the remarkable growth trajectory of Rhode as a key factor that captured their attention. He noted that in less than 3 years, the brand went from zero to $212 million in net sales, operating solely direct to consumer and with a remarkably tight product assortment of only 10 products. This level of rapid, focused growth and disruption in the beauty space impressed the CEO, who has over 30 years of experience in the consumer sector. He even mentioned he didn't think such growth was possible. This disruptive nature and fast growth certainly aligns with ELF's vision of creating a different kind of company. Rhode's success hasn't just been in sales figures. It has also demonstrated powerful engagement and influence, particularly through earned media value. Earned media value is essentially the equivalent advertising spend required to generate the same number of impressions gained through non-paid methods like social media buzz and organic mentions. In 2024, Rhode was reportedly the #1 skincare brand in earned media value, showing an impressive 367% year-over-year growth in this area. This highlights the brand's ability to connect with consumers and generate significant buzz organically, a trait that likely appealed to ELF, a company already known for its own digital prowess and authentic TikTok marketing strategies. From Rhode's perspective, this partnership with ELF Beauty represents an incredible opportunity to elevate and accelerate their ability to reach a wider audience globally. Hailey Bieber, the brand's founder, expressed her long-held vision of bringing Rhode to more faces, places, and spaces globally. She views ELF as a like-minded disruptor that shares her vision for big ideas and innovation. This partnership will enable Rhode to expand its distribution significantly, moving beyond its direct-to-consumer roots. In fact, a key part of Rhode's strategy, even before this acquisition announcement, was expanding into physical retail. The brand recently launched in Sephora stores across North America and the UK before the end of the year. Partnering with ELF, a company with extensive experience in retail distribution and global expansion, will undoubtedly accelerate this rollout and allow Rhode to reach a much larger customer base than it could have on its own. Hailey Bieber herself plans to double down and focus on this retail rollout as part of the strategy. Hailey Bieber isn't just selling her brand and walking away. She will continue to be deeply involved. She will retain her role as founder and take on expanded responsibilities as Rhode's Chief Creative Officer and Head of Innovation. This new role will see her overseeing creative direction, product innovation, and marketing for the brand. Furthermore, she will also serve as a strategic advisor to the combined companies. Her ongoing involvement is crucial, given that her influence and name were instrumental in turning Rhode into a billion-dollar brand in such a short time. The brand was initially launched with co-founders Michael and Lauren Ratner. Lauren Ratner also expressed excitement about the acquisition, reflecting on the journey of building the brand and thanking the community for their support. The co-founders, Michael D. Ratner and Lauren Ratner, along with CEO Nick Vlahos in some reports, will continue to lead the brand from its Los Angeles office. This continuity in leadership suggests a desire to maintain the brand's identity and momentum while leveraging Elf's resources and expertise. This acquisition is particularly noteworthy considering the broader mergers and acquisitions landscape in recent years, which has been described as cautious and subdued. Geopolitical tensions, inflationary pressures, and fluctuating consumer confidence have led many strategic buyers and investors to focus on managing existing performance rather than pursuing large deals. Billion-dollar deals have been less frequent since the boom period between 2019 and 2022, which saw significant acquisitions in the beauty sector. Against this backdrop, Rhode's billion-dollar sale stands out as a significant outlier. The sale signals robust value creation within the beauty industry, particularly for brands that have demonstrated strong growth and community engagement. It also could serve as a catalyst, potentially stimulating renewed interest and appetite for further mergers and acquisitions in the sector. Elf CEO expressed confidence in the deal, citing Hailey and Rhode's track record, their ability to build a strong community, and their disruptive approach as factors that gave them conviction for such a large investment. He sees Hailey Bieber as a fellow disruptor, which provides confidence in the long-term M&A environment. For Elf, this deal represents a competitive move to secure a rapidly growing brand before rivals could. But it also comes at a complex time for the company financially. While Elf recently beat Wall Street's expectations for its fiscal fourth quarter earnings, posting net income of $28.3 million and revenue of $332.7 million, the company faces headwinds. Elf sources approximately 75% of its products from China. Currently, exports from China to the U.S. are subject to a 30% duty. As of mid-May, some reports indicated these tariffs, combined with existing ones, resulted in tariffs of 55%. These tariffs are expected to reduce Elf's profits over time. In response, the company announced plans to increase prices by $1 across its entire portfolio starting August 1st to help offset the higher costs associated with these duties. The situation regarding tariffs is also creating significant uncertainty for Elf's future. The company stated it is not providing financial guidance for fiscal 2026 due to the wide range of potential outcomes related to tariffs and the ongoing negotiations between the U.S. administration and Beijing. Adding to Elf's financial considerations for this deal is the funding structure. The company plans to fund $600 million of the acquisition price with debt. This comes at a time when interest rates are high, which could impact the company's financial leverage and profitability. The acquisition is essentially a significant bet by Elf that consumer spending on high-end skincare like Rhode's products will remain strong even if there is a potential economic slowdown or recession. This indicates confidence in the resilience of the premium beauty market and the specific appeal of the Rhode brand. The acquisition also highlights a broader trend regarding celebrity-founded brands. Increasingly, for these brands to achieve significant value and attract large acquisitions, they need to demonstrate that their success is sustainable beyond just the founder's fame. Rhode's strategy, focusing on a curated product line, planned expansion into different beauty categories, performance-driven marketing, and successful retail partnerships alongside Hailey Bieber's influence, serves as a compelling blueprint for creating long-term value. Experts suggest this kind of authentic involvement and strategic substance is becoming non-negotiable for celebrity founders, moving away from the model where the celebrity is merely the face of the brand. Hailey Bieber's vision for Rhode has always centered on creating essential, high-quality skincare and hybrid makeup products that are accessible and enjoyable for everyday use. She spoke about the importance of inclusivity and making sure everyone felt invited into the world of Rhode. The initial launch focused on a tight edit of 3 products: a peptide glazing fluid, a barrier restore cream, and a peptide lip treatment, emphasizing the philosophy of doing one of everything really good. This curated approach,
coupled with viral social media execution, has clearly resonated with consumers. For e.l.f., which has a long history and significant industry expertise, the partnership with Rhode is seen as a perfect marriage by its CEO. e.l.f. dominates the market for young consumers and is recognized as teens' top cosmetic brand. By bringing Rhode into its portfolio, e.l.f. is not only expanding its product categories and price points, but also potentially leveraging Rhode's strong connection with consumers to enhance its overall brand ecosystem. e.l.f. believes it can help Rhode maximize its dollar share and facilitate a thoughtful, sequential global expansion. Hailey Bieber has expressed her ambition for Rhode to become the biggest beauty brand in the world, and she believes e.l.f. will help her achieve this goal. This strategic rationale appears clear. e.l.f. gains a fast-growing, influential brand in the desirable skincare category that appeals to a different consumer segment, while Rhode gains the vast resources, operational expertise, and global distribution network of a major beauty powerhouse. Despite the current financial complexities e.l.f. faces, particularly with the tariff situation and funding the deal with debt, this billion-dollar acquisition underscores the company's confidence in Rhode's potential and its commitment to aggressive growth and market expansion. It's a bold move in a challenging market, and one that analysts will be watching closely to see how the integration unfolds and how both brands perform under the new structure. This move truly highlights the dynamic nature of the beauty industry and the increasing importance of celebrity influence, coupled with strategic business acumen in building highly valuable brands in a short time frame. The Rhode acquisition by e.l.f. Beauty sets a new benchmark and signals exciting possibilities for the future of celebrity-led ventures and the broader M&A landscape in the beauty sector. Thank you for tuning in to Financial Podcast. I'm Olivia, and I'll be back next time with more insights into the world of finance.